Hi everyone, the Spiderman here. I hope everybody's doing okay. So guys, if you didn't know, this is my largest tarantula in my collection, and she's an adult female Theraphosa Apophysis, otherwise known as the pink-foot Goliath bird eater, and she's around the 9 to a 10 inch in leg span. I bought her back in 2011 as a 5-inch juvenile, and in the 8 years I've had her, she has molted 3 times. So yesterday I put loads of fresh sphagnum moss inside. Now sphagnum moss is fantastic for holding humidity inside the enclosure, and this species love it very, very humid. And I spray the enclosure once a week as well. So let's just lift my camera up and show you the sphagnum moss. So guys, there is all the sphagnum moss right underneath the water dish. And when I overflow the water dish, the water goes on the sphagnum moss and keeps it moist. I do spray it once a week as well, like I do the whole of the enclosure. So yesterday I gave her 2 superworms. So let's show you that footage.